it's Antonisha. Welcome back for another video. As you can see in the description box, I'll be doing a kiss press-on nail tutorial. So before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe so you can help me reach my goal. So the first thing I'm going to do is prep my nails. So you want to use a cuticle pusher to push your cuticles back. I'm using the one that came in a previous set that I had. So I did forget a step in this. I did not file or buff my nails. That is very important to long-lasting press-on nails. So make sure that you do not forget that step. Always file and buff your nails before applying press-on nails. So after that, you're gonna go in with a nail dehydrator and apply that to all of your nails. I'm going to let that sit and air dry for 30 seconds. So the second step is the pH bond that I have, which is also another word for primer. So you're going to apply the primer to all of your nails, and then you're going to let that air dry for 30 seconds. I know this may seem like a lot, just applying press-on nails, but if you want your press-on nails to last at least 3 weeks or over a month, these steps are very necessary. So this ready-to-wear box came with 24 nails in total. So what you'll see me doing is just sizing the press-on nails to fit my actual nail. Now it's very important that you choose the perfect size. You don't want to go too small and you don't want to go too big. You'll see me applying the nail and checking the perimeters just to make sure there's no gaps or to make sure the nail isn't overlaying over my actual nail. This is very important because if the nail is too big or too small, the press-on nail may actually pop off. So I tried to use the glue that came in my 3-step system that you see laid out in front of me, but that did not work. The nail would not stick at all. So I had to resort back to the Kiss nail glue, which is okay because it works just the same or better in this case. That nail glue is specifically for the BTR box nails that I had, so I'm going to continue using Kiss nail glue for the Kiss nails. So what you see me doing here is just applying the nail glue in the center. Now I don't like to put the nail glue over the entire nail because it tends to gush out on the sides and leaves a complete mess. So I just like to put the nail glue in the middle, and then when I do apply the press-on nails, any of these little excess glue will go on the side so the full nail is covered and actually secured. Now this step is totally optional. I wanted my nails to be super short, so I decided to file the nails down and give like a little square shape. So like I said, totally optional. I just wanted extra short nails. So if you would like to do this, just try to, make sure that the nails match on each hand. I know some people aren't really technical when it comes to filing, which is a-okay because I'm not the best either, but just do your best. If you want to do this step, like I said, you could definitely skip this step and just leave the nails the way that they are. Here I'm just showing you the difference in between the thumbnails. One has an oval shape and the one that I did just file has now a square shape. So that's just the look that I was going for. I usually do just leave them if I don't feel like doing all of the filing. But tonight I decided to be a little extra, so I gave it a shape and I wanted to go a little shorter. Like I said, I'm going to stress again, totally optional. You can definitely leave them the way that they are because they're still going to look good. And now I'm just applying the top coat. I actually should have just went in with the gel nail polish, but I tend to not like how gel looks sometimes, and that's just a personal preference. I feel that gel tends to get all bulky and makes the nail look thick, and I just do not like that look. So I decided to go in with the regular top coat and the color clear, and you'll see me curing that in the LV Light, which is totally optional because I mean it's regular polish, so the UV light I don't think it does anything for it. Just let it air dry. You know, I just decided to be a little extra and use the UV light, but you don't have to. Presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around. Find one that seem my type. Then my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. And after you're done with that, letting them air dry, the nail should look a little something like this. I really like how this came out. I wanted something quick and I wanted something that lasts for a little bit. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this and help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. I thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.